This is one of the few times that I've been out at night. I've been crashed. But, you know, sometimes you just gotta do it for the content and just do it because, you know, this is my only weekend. I only did one weekend. I came in on a Tuesday and I'm leaving on a Thursday. So I'm actually only gonna be here for this weekend. And then I leave next Thursday. So right before the weekend next week. So gotta take advantage. They be jumping, you know, because Tokyo is such a busy working community that, you know, they really take advantage of their weekends. So you'll see like a lot of people out shopping or at the bar, you know, partying or whatever. So that's why I said I'm gonna stick it out and go enjoy my weekends. And it's so cool, like here, everything works, you know. Like if this is the States, this thing would be broken, busted in, and it would be broken into. Well, so I'm going to the UDX building. I do YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I met this guy right here, and he's actually a photographer, right? Yeah, he's got a camera. A little French dude. He's trying to go to the car meet too, so I'm following him. He says he knows where he's going. Or I think it's right here, but yep, there it is, UDX, yeah. Woo! We're about to see some crazy shit. I'm trying to see something dope, you hear me? I'm trying to see something dope, you hear me? But yeah, they do these car meets. There's the Daikuku car meet, and then there's that's like the big one that's out of town. And then they do like so I'm thinking they're probably gonna have like bikes and probably gonna have bikes and like tuners. Maybe a skyline we can see. So we'll see what's all popping, but those biker guys are probably going. I think they're going too, these guys behind us. Huh?
Your price.
$350 for walk-ins?
I'm not sure.
But this is it, huh? Okay. This gotta be it. But how do we get in there?
That's the parking for motorcycle and car.
モーターサイクルじゃない。お？ここ？カーオンリー。
Oh, it's car only?
B1.
Can we walk?
Yeah.
We-
ここから歩いて。
This way?
いや、近いのは右で、
はい。
I'll go around this way?
そうそこ。
It's a free, it's okay.
Yeah.
ありがとう。
Hey, thank you. You said,
Here? Ah, fine.
no, farther. This one right here. I'm thinking right here, right?
Where is the stairs? No stairs?
Oh. We're like the gaijins, you know? Damn it. I'm about to just walk down that ramp. Yes, that is the spoiler. We are going to a car meet. And I think Buddy found it. There it is, to the parking garage. So how are you fluent? Are you fluent in Japanese? Are you fluent?
No. No. Just a few words.
Yeah. Even after 7 times. Huh? So you go back to France after this? We should ask those guys. Here we. You think what? What are you thinking? Those are. Follow the crowd.
Well, come on, here.
There's one tuner right there. You about to take a piss? All right. Look at that Subaru. It's nice. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Is this your car? Is this your car? This one? That's yours? It's nice, man. This is the, have you ever been to the Daikoku car meet? Yeah. It's like far, it's like on a highway, right? No? The Daikoku, Daikoku? Yeah. Have you been before?
Many custom cars.
Yeah, a lot of custom cars, yeah. Damn, I want to go to that so bad. This is his car, dude. Little Honda tuner. This thing. Look how they tint the wheels, bro. This is a funky one. Look at this, guys. Look at the steering wheel. How does he got it? Oh, it's he's got a hook on it. So he takes the steering wheel off and hooks it on. It's got a little decal, I'll tell you, on the back there. Daikoku is the huge car meet. And it's like outside. And it's outside. I don't know where the French guy went. There's another one. They're still pulling in. It is a little early, so these guys are just getting started. I don't think these cars are part of the meet. These look like it. These are some tuners. He's like, hey, I'm just meeting here. And then there's a skyline. Wait, there's a skyline over here though. Where did bro go? There's a couple other cars too. Get this one. The Mazda. This is a very famous car right here. I wonder who owns it. You know who owns it? Your car? This is a nice car. This thing goes GT, right? Yep. I wonder who the driver is. Do you guys know if it's still early? Like, you think more cars are coming, right? GTR, boy. What you know about it? What you know about that GTR? That is the car that Paul Walker drove in Too Fast, Too Furious right there, dude. Look at this one. This is okay. I don't even know the name of this brand. Look at this brand. Look at that. Fire anime decal too. Fire anime decal. Fire anime decal. Look at that shit. That's nice. But yeah, they said Daikoku was shut down by the police. So that one's so big, they probably partying with the police right there. Type, you know? That one's probably crazy. A lot of speeders, a lot of tuners. Got the spoiler. This one's a Mazda. This one doesn't even have a, look at inside that. Damn, look at this one. Like, he be racing this one. This is a racer. I think he's got luggage in there. Got the helmet in the back. This one's pretty souped up. Look at that one right there. Bro's chilling, his friend's chilling. And a bar. Had to come check out the wheel. Yeah, you look good, and I had to put this on there too, because you know, in the Dominican Republic series, we were riding in a Geely. That was all that said, but like, what is that, man? What is that? You can only catch that in Japan, you hear me? It looked like a Toyota front, like the body looks like a Toyota, but like, what is that, bro? What is that? What is that? Oh, look, no, but then it is a Toyota. Look, on the handlebar, it's got the Toyota emblem. Okay, so it's a Toyota. But why isn't it on the front? Why they got that emblem on the front there? I had to just check that out. I had to just show you guys that because it's like, what is that, bro? Look at this one. Boy, that Japanese exclusive. Japanese exclusive. Look, and then on this one, yeah, there's no Toyota on that. Hybrid. Japanese exclusive. And of course, we had to get Mr. Stunner. Mr. Stunner. With the Rolls Royce. Just to shit on all the tuners out here. Not one Rolls Royce, We got two of them. Two Rolls Royces at the car meet. Beautiful, bossy. And there's a Maybach right here next to it. And we got a Maybach. Nice little Porsche over there, but let's look at this. But the interior on this one is crazy. Look at the interior on this one. Make it real. You know? I'll be opening up the door handle. Had to make it real, make it tangible. I can get there. But yeah, look at the interior. Sky blue interior. With the orange engraving. Oh man. Oh man. And then you got, this one's more simple. This one's just a little more simple. But very bossy. Very bossy. There's the interior, there's the weird. Oh. Oh. Okay, no, these are more my style, right? So I went down one more floor and we got some more action out here in Tokyo, baby. The green bean. The green bean. And we got the yellow vet. Very spicy. Very clean. Look at the vet. The vet interior is stupid. Look at that. The little, oh, how they set this up is so clean. With the screen. Got a Mercedes G-Wagon down there. Look at the Rari. The white Rari. See, me personally, like, I love a tuner. Like, I like the tuners and stuff. And with all the cool anime decals and stuff, that's just cool. But like, got a nice BMW SUV. But like, nothing's beating the Rari and the Lambo. Look at this Porsche, bro. I don't know what UDX building got going on. If this is like a condo or something, I don't know. The station I got off at from Shinjuku Station, I got off at Akihabara Station. And of course they have my favorite car that I will own in some country one day. It might not be the States, but I'm going to own this car in some country. The they got a motherfucking bike rack on this thing. I don't think I've ever seen the Lambo. Damn, bro. The Lamb. Look at this thing. Big 7-1. I don't think I've ever seen a Lambo with a bike rack. But yeah, my favorite car, for sure. And I saw one in Tokyo, and it was white and black with a bike rack. So you know they'd be getting down on the trails, put some bikes on there, and go to town. Let's see what else this car meet has. Ooh, the black Rari with the beige interior and red. Look at this beige and red combo. Damn. The beige and red combo. Black wheels. Couldn't really see. And this is a 4-seater. Maybach SUV. The Maybach SUV, okay. Clean. Very clean. Got a nice little Porsche chilling. This is just Maybach town. And then we got the oof. The oof. I ain't gonna lie, this Rari is so clean. Bro, what? This Rari is nice, dude. Look at the ass. Look at the ass on her. Incredible. It's dirty. Somebody needs to clean it. But boy, she got body. That bitch got body. Then we got one more Maybach, and I think that's it. I think that's it for the car meet. And these owners, everybody that owns these cars, one or two of them might be asleep, or one or two of them might be partying, but I guarantee you, majority of them is knocked out right now. But I can find the car meet people of those cars. Look at the gray. They got the gray BMW. Hey fellas, is one of this y'all's cars? Is this your car?
No.
No. Is this your car?
No.
No. I like the hair though, man. You look good, man. You look good. What's your anata no name? Name, yeah. Katsunui. Chiji. Y'all cool as fuck, man. I fuck with y'all, man. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta, Georgia, where it's like ludicrous and like, you know what I'm saying? And yeah. Damn. But yeah, I'm just coming to visit, man. I'm going to check it out, you know? Is there more cars coming?
Oh.
Y'all speak English or no? No English.
No English.
Here.
この後、わかんない、来ないか。どうなんだろ
More cars coming, right?
う。いや
Fuck with these guys, man. Nas. Damn. That's the big one. Look at this. Look at this, bro. The French dude gotta see these. These are bad. I'm not a big BMW guy, but these are bad. They didn't get that part. Damn. All right, guys, I really appreciate y'all coming, watching for the day. I'm with my homies, man. They say rep Japan. Japan is a cool place. If y'all want to come check it out, Japan is a cool place. And give the thumbs up. Say thumbs up, thumbs up. Yeah. All right, my guys. And then please check it out. Japan is cool. Y'all see y'all in the next video. All right, much love, peace, respect.